In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Squarespace. To begin, you'll need to download the font you'd like to use. A great resource for free fonts is a site called Dayfont. Open your browser and search for Dayfont, then click on the first result to visit the official website. Once you're on the Dayfont homepage, you'll see a search bar on the right side. Use it to search for the name of the font you want. When you find a font that suits your style, click the download button next to it. This will download a zip file to your computer, usually to your default downloads folder. Next, locate the zip file you just downloaded. It's a good idea to move it to a folder where you keep website assets, just to stay organized. Right-click on the zip file and choose Extract here. Inside, you'll find the font files. Now head over to your Squarespace website. In the menu on the left-hand side, click on the search icon and type in Custom CSS. Select it from the list of results. Once you're in the Custom CSS panel, look for a small arrow or Manage Custom Files icon. Click on it and choose Add Images or Fonts. Locate the font file you just extracted and upload it. Once your font is uploaded, you'll need to apply it to your website using Custom CSS. I've included a CSS code in the video description for you to copy and paste. After pasting the code into the Custom CSS box, you'll see placeholder text that says Font Name. Replace this with the exact name of the font file you uploaded. Do the same for the placeholder text in the last line. Next, you'll also see a section that says Enter URL. Remove this text and click on the arrow again to open your uploaded text file, then click on it to insert its URL. After filling out the font name and URL correctly, the new font will apply to your site in real time. Once you're satisfied, click Save at the top left corner to apply the changes. And that's how you can add custom fonts to your Squarespace website.